Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you my new shop lights I just ordered. You'll see why I need them in a second, but basically this is my garage without the lights. Now it does look pretty bright just from the overhead, but you can see here, if I'm working away from the light source, you'll see that I'm working in a blind spot, right? It's pretty dark. Especially when I come over here and again, so come over here, if I'm working on my tool bench here, you see all these shadows that it's casting. So what I'm going to do is I ordered these, they're made by Barrina LED T5 integrated fixtures. Let me get that. You can see here it's dark, right? I got this shadow happening. So I just ordered these off Amazon. They were $59.99 Canadian, and I'm going to show you real quick what's in the box. Okay, so I went on Amazon. I looked at a couple reviews and some other guys that had been using them for a little bit of time, a year or two, and saw that these were pretty decent. So you'll see when you unbox them, I already took all the cords and stuff out. You'll see here, and in the box as well comes all your cables and everything. Again, you can see when I'm working here it's dark. I'm going to fix that once I get these lights up. It literally looks like a lightsaber. Really slim. And the way they work is you're going to have a clip. So on the back here, there's a groove on the side here, you'll see, and the clips go on your ceiling, and then these just clip in. They got slots on either end so you can piggyback them and create a long string of lights, or you can set them up so that they're going to be each with their own power cord. Now this is what I was curious about when I was buying them. Do they have a pull string or a switch? So these ones come with a switch. Now I would have preferred the pull string, but again, these were basically 10 bucks a light, and they were pretty decent reviews. They're an LED, and this here is what you're going to use if you're going to be connecting lights in like a series or a string. Okay, I know it's not really focusing that well, but that's how you're going to connect. So it comes with those. So you got your power cables, which comes with, you got 6 of them, one for each light. You got your clips, your bag of clips, right? Oh, I lost my light. So now you can see I'm being here working, all right? And that light is on a timer, and now it's an older machine, and the timer actually can't be adjusted. So here I am in the dark. I'm gonna flip around this way so you can see me. All right, I'm gonna get these set up. I'm gonna get them put up in the garage, and I'll come back and show you how they look. Okay, lights are installed, and I'll show you what we got here. Okay, obviously lights are off now. I'm going to show you. Boom, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think the light output here is pretty damn good. I'll show you how I got them attached or wired up or whatever. One thing I'm gonna say about these lights is the connectors need to be longer. Alright, so I got these two lights connected there with a switch right here. Okay, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that switch yet. Now, you'll see here, I still got a light on. The connector wasn't long enough to connect my third one there. So what I did was I drilled through the ceiling and I ran an extension cord. Not a big deal. I got my light over the bench there, my 2 lights over my workspace here, and now I got these ones set up. Okay, let me flip this around here so you can see better. Alright, so I got these mounted on the bottom of the garage door track. I'll show you here. So what I did was I put a piece of wood just on the outside of the track. I used a, let me kind of see here, just a flat screw there, and that way when I open the door it doesn't bind up, right? And I got light where I need it. I didn't want to mount them to the wall just because I didn't, like, I would have had to, it would be weird. The light would be going up. I want the light coming down. These ones I have set up on their own switches. Same with this one here, obviously when I turned it on. And I did that just because I'm not going to need all the lights all the time. If I'm in here working and I'm going to be in here for a couple hours, yeah, I'll turn them all on. But if I'm just coming in to bang something out quick, I don't really need all the lights on. So anyways, I got one more light here. These are some extra connectors and stuff. Just a heads up for everybody, their screws suck. So I ended up using my own 6 by 3/4 square screw. I kept stripping these ones that come in the little pack here. Alright, now you can see it. They just are made of really cheap metal, and I kept stripping them. So I just used my own screws with a square head, and that's it. I say I'm pretty happy with it. If I want a little bit more light, all I gotta do, turn on my middle garage light, and that's about it. So all in all, I'm pretty pumped up. I finally got some good light in here. I don't have to use my my portable lights and all that I use for doing different jobs. I finally got my shop set up properly. Just a 1-car garage. I can work on the ATV. I can do whatever I gotta do in here with and me and my buddy Bo. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hope that helped.